swimming trunk. My door.
Zoom. Cool. Go with it.
I see it. Can I hold it? Can I see it?
No, you go away.
Rained on in.
Probably.
Is it raining?
It ain't raining yet.
Henry, did you get that extra tarp?
No.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I got them palm trees and stuff on my stuff.
What is it you need a tarp for? What you need a tarp for? I was thinking I had one in the van. I was going to try some different things. Look how happy Kevin is. What you got, hon?
Huh?
What you got?
Water.
Annie, I can't see the bottom of your shorts. Or yours. We're gonna pull them up. Goober.
I gotta empty out my shoe.
What's in your shoe?
That's it now.
Water.
I got the white legs just like Kevin. Hey, I got some of them. Now, when you get ready to change clothes back, we have to go first to go. No, no. You do too. You're not trading in my bag. You get wet, you stay out of the bag.
Working on it.
Okay. Andy, back this way. Or you can change in your house.
Hey, Ron.
Out there a little ways, but I don't really want to get wet either, you know. Oh, yeah. But Kathy bought her a booger board so she could ride the waves. But she couldn't get out in the water with her. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's quite comfortable.
Stole.
Here's another one here, Kevin. I told you I bought an extra one.
I know.
It's not camouflage, but it's over there. Mine's El Cheapos. I bought them at garbage stuff. For $5. One of my friends, Dudley, Sharon's husband. One of my friend's husband. Yeah.
I found a warm spot. Andy, come on.
No. One of you at a time. Well, yeah. Go. As long as Henry can save you.
As long as you can stand up and your chin's under the water, above the water, you're fine.
He's sitting down. They can stand up there. He just walked down. Man, I tell you what, Loretta, up there, that land between the lakes where we went is so beautiful. I'd like to go up there. Oh, it was nice. This right here, I've been here for 3 times. I don't really think this all that pretty.
This ain't that great.
The only bad thing about it, where we
The
was
good thing
at,
about this is close to their house.
that's the only good thing about this. Well, about the only
It used to be free.
bad part about that place up there is there's 4-wheeler riders all around us, stirring up the dust. And is that a national park?
Yeah.
Before long, they're gonna pull them out. It's
No,
a
that's
trail
what it's
up
made
in
for.
there. Yeah.
It's made for 4-wheelers.
It's a 4-wheeler trail. They take them.
They've got extra spots around where you can't get the 4-wheelers in, but
It's in Henry's car. Go under. No, it's sitting right there, Kevin. It's in that big old duffel bag. Go under. Go under. Pull, Rhonda. Pull. Okay, well, I gotta get that working. That'll be all right. Did you do it? Monica, where you at? Go under, Annie.
Feels good out here, Mama. Get out here.
Nope. I don't like water that much. Time to come home, Henry.
You may swim above the water or under.
Whichever.
Huh?
Whichever. I can't see you under.
About to lose. Is it that I can feed 'em?
Right here in Granny's plate.
Where? I don't see none.
Right there in Granny's plate.
There's 3 ducks.
Monica, you're too far out. Get up here. Okay.
Well, let me find the shoes. Get that off of me! Mom!
Quack, 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 quack. There's your duck. Monica, shut up and play.
What?
Shut up and play. Annie, here's your duck. Right in front of us. He's coming up shore. There's some bread in that garbage bucket bag. Swim over to him, Monica. Annie, go over and make a trail and they'll come up here and eat it.
Hey, you said you weren't gonna.
Just drop them and come on, they'll get it. If they want it, they know it's there. Come on. Keep coming.
God, my hands are touching the bottom. Mama,
Throw another one out there, Annie.
give me some of that bread. Here, face him. God.
Y'all gonna scare them away.
Stop.
Come on. Now you can come get it. Well, you should have went over there without it.
Mama, they ain't gonna come out, I'm sure.
Okay.
Mom, tell me when to stop. Can she come over here towards me?
Monica, get back this way.
Mama said you could. Yeah, oh, I'm right here. Right here, Annie.
You're scaring them away, Andy.
I'm not touching the bottom, I'm swimming.
Get your butt back this way.
What?
Get back this way.
But I'm not even. And I can't up this far.
I don't know. You come over this way.
Annie, come back out in the water. Annie. Go that far.
Monica?
I'm not going up. Mama, she splashed water on
You
me.
deserved it.
What, dumb?
Yeah, you did. Get out of the water, Monica. Get out of the water. Stop it. Get out of the water.
That's just right.
Get out of the water.
I didn't do nothing.
And you ain't going to the rest of the day. Get out.
At least it starts. The one I got into him with. We got out in the middle of the river and it wasn't yours.
Oh, yeah.
Has he got oars in there in case he don't?
I don't know.
In case something like this happens?
No. You talking about to paddle with?
Yeah.
No. I asked him a while ago. I thought he did.
What do you do if the motor dies out there?
He said that little one behind Henry has got a battery on it or something. It's supposed to... Yeah. But what happens if it don't go? I guess we just sit there and hope somebody comes and saves us. They got a fish. No, they didn't. They got a stick.
Kevin's boat sits awful down far in the water.
Mm-hmm. They all do that, he says.
Henry, I hope you swim good.
I know that's right. God, I don't know if I want in there drink. It looks scary.
I don't want in there. I'm afraid that boat would just go skunk.
Mom,
What?
have come.
Good God, it's sinking.
Make sure you drink it. I mean, drink it all.
Was that thing sinking?
I don't think so.
It looks like to me he's sitting right down in the water.
Looks like it, don't it?
Surely Henry's got enough sense to jump out if it fills up with water.
Kevin Joe, quit it.
He's a stupid man. Doing that like that in the water.
Huh?
You ain't getting me out there. Matter of fact, I wish you should. How would you let Henry win? You know that?
Maybe I should have went before I seen what it looks like from this end.
I don't want them little kids out there either.
Oh, he's already had them out there.
Watch. Mama, push the zoom button.
I've got it zoomed in, Monica.
I'm gonna do it.
Go away.
Please.
Did Monica tell you about she was scared to death that they was going to sink
Oh, did you not?
last night?
We didn't tell you about what Jason did.
What?
He was out there and the water just kept coming into the boat and Daddy was saying, Jason, you're doing it wrong. And he goes, no, I'm not. This is how you do it. And he goes, no, it's not.
Listen,
That's theirs.
they're in trouble.
Where are they?
They're way out there. They're
Mama,
moving.
did you say I could have a cheese
Okay, it's
Coke?
going
I mean,
in.
Coke?
Okay, go ahead, talk.
Oh, and Monica, what? That's what I'm saying.
I done
Can she
told
have
you
a
yes.
Coke?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we were out there and the water's...
Oh, that's sitting down pretty far to back, Grady. That might be Kevin.
Come get me a Coke.
As long as you don't waste it.
I want it. Is that them?
Can't tell.
If you like globs of butter on your baked potatoes, soft.
Sure do.
Instead, have 1 teaspoon or pat of butter.
Ain't as good.
And as much salsa as you want. I don't like salsa.
They say if you eat anything, after you eat anything, if you eat salsa with it, it'll be less fattening. I don't know what it is about salsa, but the hotter the better.
I don't like salsa.
I like salsa,
You'll do it all right then.
but I don't like it with everything.
Instead of a donut, eat a bagel. I don't like bagels.
I don't like bagels.
I love donuts.
Mm-hmm.
But today I did real good. I went in the store, I bought 2 donuts, and I gave one to Monica, and I gave one to Andy, and I didn't eat them.
Yeah, I know. Andrew coming there eating it in front of me. I said, "You just gonna eat that, ain't you? You just gonna eat it all, ain't you?" She said, "Mm-hmm."
I love donuts.
I know. I was gonna stop at Pig and get me some get us a bunch of donut holes, but I forgot about it. That's not
But,
Kevin.
we was at
Andy. Andy. Hey, Andy.
You can't use your thingy.
Well, Dad ought to set y'all up some fishing poles before he left.
What?
find the can opener.
I think I brought one.
We done told you we got plenty of damn steak. I said
Henry
we
does
done.
not like steak, Henry. He wants his chili soup.
Oh. I got hot dogs. You grill out. I got baked beans, or I got pinto beans, or something. I mean, yeah, them things. Potato
Hey,
salad.
don't break no poles getting them yours out.
How's it feel being the foot on the other shoe now, Kevin?
What?
You have to tell your kids, get the hell out of this, get out of that. You stay out of this, where you don't break that, don't do this. Of course, you just got 2. There's a big difference there, too.
Mine was a lot better than they did. Monica and Andy mine was a lot better than Kevin and them did.
My kids mine are pretty damn good, I thought.
Okay.
Well, I'm not going to sit back and say my kids never wasted food or
No, not mine.
shit. By God, my kids waste that shit.
Enough to feed Utopia.
I know I put a can up here somewhere.
Monica.
I do want some of them potatoes.
Okay. Look over here in this, Monica. Huh?
She's already got them made up, Mom.
Oh yeah, I done got them made up. I made them suckers up last night. Look in this box if you can find that can opener.
Well, there ain't nothing better than chili in the can.
I don't know if I brought. I don't think I brought.
Chili when you ain't got a can opener, Mom.
Well, I look. I know I packed it.
What you got,
hot
Annie?
dogs did we bring, Mom?
What you got?
Fishy?
Kind of eat.
I don't know.
Maybe at nighttime there will be very many people out there.
Hey, catch one! Let me catch one.
I don't know if we're gonna go night fishing or not. Not in the boat. Looks like it's gonna be raining. Hey, come here, Andrea. I forgot to put a bobber on there. Bring it here.
I'm gonna watch you can't cast.
Pulling it in.
Here, Henry.
Rhonda, did you bring a can opener?
I know. I thought I did, but I didn't.
Well, I thought I did too, but I didn't.
Monica said she used it this morning, didn't put it back in there. I got you.
I guess she's recording something. Are you recording us?
Mm-mm.
I'm sure you ain't. Why got the flashlight on then? I found marshmallow. And the burnt face. Just take a picture of us.
Yep.
Well, block. Give me that camera.
Get off. Get off.
Girl, making enough noise to wake the dead.
I can't see you. Where
Can
are
you get in?
Daddy? Oh. You getting in, Daddy?
Get out of my eyes.
Fire out. Okay.
You sure? Would you like to record my...
live together in the whole state of Mexico. Will I love, honor, keep her through sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keeping one in the hurt, so long as folks live. Sheila, you take this man right off the bed and hug him, live together in the whole state of Mexico. Will I love, honor, keep her through sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keeping one in the hurt, so long as folks live. That place is the wedding ring is an outward visible sign of entering spiritual grace, signifying to everyone the united man and woman in holy bond of matrimony. No authority and destiny, I therefore pronounce a man of God. Make this the bride. Congratulations.
You might have to redo the wedding.
She's good on video though, at least good to see it.
You typing them? Oh
Yeah.
gosh, have you seen Ricky's hair yet? Hi!
I said I like it. I like it the way it is.
I like the way it used to be before.
You didn't see that.
I seen a bunch of jaywalkers there.
You didn't see nothing.
I got it on video.
Sydney, lay up here.
Gathers. I got proof.
Sydney, come here.